Mami, dito yung pating.
We go to Pating?
Oo, gusto ko yung pating.
Okay.
Ayaw.
She likes shark. So we go to shark. Dito anak ang cable car tsaka dolphin.
Tsaka yung pating.
Okay.
Dito ka na natin. Mami, ayun no.
I don't want to. You want to?
Mabagal lang. Para gusto mag-view, di ba?
No way. Ikaw mag-isa. I'll go with you. I'll watch you. Okay lang? Gusto mo?
Ay, okay.
It's so windy but it's beautiful here. Wow. The wind is so refreshing.
Look after the children and elderly. Don't sit on the steps. Walk or run on the escalators.
Ang ganda ng view.
家人握扶手。
We're moving down. Kaya lang sobrang taas talaga. Eh malululain pa naman ako. Oh my God. I don't wanna look down.
Bakit ako yung harap?
Yun? Tanga eh. Baka malaglag yung cellphone. Magmabulang kami rin. Sobrang taas. It's very high. And I'm afraid I might, yeah, my cellphone might fall. So, it's very being careful here. So, usually, hindi ako mahawak sa rail escalator. But now, I have to because it's scary. It's a scary escalator in the mountains. Top of the mountain, guys. Okay? So, we took escalator. This is the third escalators. The last one, I hope, because I'm tired already. See? My God. Wow. Look at that.
照顧小孩同長者，冇企近低邊，亦冇坐喺
My daughter's just kind. Ganda ng lakad mo, Kat. Kat, ganda ng lakad mo. She wanted to see the shark. Kat, wait!